In this video, I'm going to tell you how to flirt with a girl. Make sure you stay tuned because I'm going to share with you some important tips on how to flirt for beginners, that you can use right away. So, click the subscribe button now, so you never miss a video. Let's get started. Are you a flirt? Have you ever wanted to improve your flirting? Some people struggle with flirting and find they don't know where to begin. But there are a few flirting characteristics that can improve your chances of effectively flirting with someone. These groups of flirting characteristics underlie effective flirting. Although there are no formulas for successful flirting, there are characteristics that increase its chances of ending well. If you take on a natural approach to these behavior characteristics, your flirting may improve. In order of importance, here are some of the characteristics to keep in mind next time you flirt with a girl you like. Here is tip number 1, which is nonverbal behavior. Something to remember the next time you flirt, not only what you say to the girl you like, but your behavior as well. A good amount of eye contact, not too intensely, but still letting them know that you are listening, by looking at them in the eye from time to time. Also remember to genuinely smile when you can. Everyone loves a sweet smile. Good hygiene and scent are always great as well. It's not just what you tell the girl you like verbally, but non-verbally as well. Here is the next flirting tip. This is intelligence. When you are flirting with a girl you like, you may want to show her that you are intelligent as well by saying a witty joke, or having a natural conversation about topics that show you are educated, in a variety of things. The next flirting tip is to have a gentle approach. When you are flirting, it is always important to be respectful as well as having fun with it. People want to see that you are mature as well as you are funny with flirting. If they are not comfortable, you will not make things better by continuing. Always be respectful and mature in your flirting attempts. Now don't go anywhere because I still have more advice to give you, but if you need help, I have more dating techniques and more ways to help you. You can click the link down below now and go to our website, so we can support you. You can check out the online dating programs on the website which really can help you. You will find lots of helpful dating advice on the site, so I recommend you click the link down below and check it out. But here is the next tip. The next tip for you is cheerfulness. When someone is looking for a partner, they are not only going to want someone who is respectful and kind, but someone who is cheerful as well. This is another characteristic that is said to underlie effective flirting. Wouldn't you want a partner that makes you happy? If your flirting has a bit of cheerfulness in it, then you are on the right track. The next tip is to use romantic intentions. Of course, when you are flirting, it is always a great idea to show the girl you like that you are romantic. You can have a bit of fun flirting, but throughout you may want to show her how romantic you can be. Whether it is a sweet look in the eyes that you give or a bit of gentleness in your touch, a hint of romance is often essential for flirting. Here is another flirting tip for you. Have some courage and determination when flirting. It can be very nerve-wracking to approach a girl you may like, and flirt with them. Where do you begin? Confidence is the key. If you are going to flirt well, you need not only courage but determination. So that flirty joke that you have been playing out in your head to tell the girl you like, flirt courageously and confidently. The next tip is try and find something in common. Of course, for you to develop a relationship with the girl you like, you will want to have something in common with them. So, before you start flirting, you may want to find out a few things about them. What do they like? Do they have any shared interests? Values? You will need to keep the conversation going after your witty flirting. That's the goal. So, a few things in common is always a good idea, so you can easily bring the conversation back to something that you have in common. Here is the next flirting tip. Use good looks. We don't know what qualities others find attractive about others. But we can always try to be our best selves to create a first attraction when you approach who you are about to flirt with. Good looks can always help. So, if you can keep up good hygiene and wear your favorite outfit to express your best self. Here is the next flirting tip. Have a mysterious allure. Use the element of mystery. If you want to ask the woman you like on a date, after some flirting, they will likely want to get to know you more, if you leave something for them to want to know. When you are asked about something, only reveal what you feel comfortable with. But you don't need to reveal everything about yourself in one sitting. Be honest, respectful and curious with the girl you like, but at first feel free to leave a bit of mystery. It may just leave them wanting to hear more from you perhaps on that date. Here is another tip for you. Flirting is fun, but it should serve a purpose. You want the girl to know you like her. Show your playful, charming side, but avoid openly hitting on her. Flirting shouldn't put any pressure on her or make her feel uncomfortable. Instead, your flirtatious attitude should put her at ease. It can take a little practice, but with confidence, you'll be flirting with a girl the moment you make eye contact. Here is the next tip. Use positive body language. Use positive body language. Display open, flirty body language so she knows you're attracted. Start by gazing right into her eyes and don't glance away or appear distracted. Keep your arms by your sides and don't cross them, which can make you look closed off. To spark intimacy, lean toward her when you speak, just make sure you give her some personal space. Stand up tall and proud so you look more confident. Don't forget to smile. It's a lot easier to flirt if you keep up a positive vibe. So, which of these flirting characteristics will you keep in mind the next time you approach the woman you like? So, the next thing to do, is make sure you click the link down below now in the description box, and head through to the website and you can check out all of the dating programs. These dating programs are going to help you improve your dating success with women. I have also placed on that website some important tips that help you with conversation, attraction, flirting and getting women to like you, so at the very least go through to the website and check out those tips. I hope you enjoyed what you learned in this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video, that motivates me to make more videos for you. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.